What's up, y'all? Good morning. I don't have the munchies, but this is still a Munchipes because I thought of it last night when I had the munchies. So I bought some shrimp and vegetables the other day, and now I got to do something with the leftovers. I got onions, shrimp, sausage, mushrooms, garlic. I might even use a potato or two. But watch what I'm going to make. It's brunch. So I'm going to make me a fresh yard egg omelet. Now, the first step in any good brunch time omelet is a Bloody Mary. Cash for your stash. We might do a show today. Perfection every time. And yes, that is bacon. Mm, mm, mm. All right, let's start cooking now. Look at that. I got some shrimp, onions, sausage, and mushrooms. Now I'm going to crack open some eggs. These are small to medium sized eggs, so I'm going to use 3. Nothing like it. I'm going to add a little salt and a little 4A Bayou Dust sweet heat because all that shit seasons good. Yep. Mushrooms, shrimp, sausage, onions. Good. Damn, I could almost put another egg. To the pan we go. That pan is heated up and greased. Let's dump it in. That's gonna be good. I said I wouldn't, but while I wait, I elevate. It's almost time to half it, so I'm gonna add some cheese. Then I'm going with Kobe Jack. My little friend from Rouse's told me it would be good on an omelet. So let's see. What you say? What you say now? I'll go ahead and try this out. That is so damn good. Look out for Cash for Your Stash college baseball edition today.